Okay, this is getting really too stupid, more than I probably want to do by myself. That is a boulder field right there. I mean, so hey guys, welcome to the channel. I am out today. It's a beautiful day, 77 degrees here in southern Arizona. Not bad for December 19th. But I'm out on Fort Huachuca Military Base. Just checking out some roads. Don't know if there's trails or not, or roads, what, but I'm out just checking it out. Explosive storage area. Ugh. Kind of freaky. What does this one say? Same thing, explosive storage area. This is kind of a rough hill, so I don't know. Kind of a rough trail. Hill. Guess if you're gonna start it out rough. Kinda really ain't much of a road at all. So I don't know where I can even go here. Probably not this way. Probably not the way I want to go. I want to go the other way. So my elevation now is 5,175 feet. The problem with this military base is I'm not sure where to go, and hopefully they got signs saying if I can't go in there. Wouldn't want to get in trouble, but I do see tracks of like UTVs and bikes. So obviously people go up in here. I don't know what that is. Some kind of walls. Obviously they use those for some military training. There's one over there, one here. So I'd say it's one that they used to use for military training. Don't look like they do now, as growed up as it is. Looks like this used to be a gate. There's no sign there, and it's tore down. Got some, I don't know what kind of wire that is. It looks like maybe some kind of razor wire. I just seen this trail on the map. I was actually just going through the base and came out on the other side, and I seen on the map, I seen this road. The road looks squiggly on the map, so usually when they look that way, they're good ones. Can't use the drone here, I doubt. I don't think you could use a drone on a military base. Just saying. Something I wouldn't think they would allow. So I definitely wouldn't want to try it. But it's pretty cool so far. We're going up in this canyon up in here, in all the oak trees. Nice and rocky. Well, there's one that goes up the hill there. And there's somebody up there in orange. I think it's a deer hunter. I don't know if anybody be deer hunting on the base, but maybe you can. There's a car right there. No idea what that green thing is. They might allow deer hunting on the base. But I don't know how you're going to do that if you can't bring a gun on the base. It's definitely got plenty of rocks on this trail. Getting further up in the canyon, and usually what that means is it's going to get rougher, because that's usually what, the further you go, the rougher it gets. I doubt it's going to smoothen out. So yeah, this trail was not in the plans today, but it is pretty awesome so far. Hey, look at that mountain up ahead of us. That is so cool. So I don't know if we're going to go up the mountain or stay down in the canyon. Definitely new to me. But it is pretty up in here. So I'm wearing the MSR Legend gear today, and I can tell you guys, if all you've ever done is be like me and all I've ever had is motocross riding gear, the jersey and pants, basically is what I'm talking about, then you're missing out, because this Legend gear is made for off-road. Totally different than motocross gear. You can tell that it's made for off-road. It is really good stuff. The ventilation is cool. I mean, it works really good. It has pockets on the pants, and none of my motocross gear has the pockets on the outside of the pants. So I can carry like my wallet, I can carry, you know, different things when I go places. And the motocross gear that I got some Fox and Alpine Stars. Ain't got none of that. Well, this is Rocky. But I do have a link in the description, guys. If you want some real good gear for adventure riding, off-road riding, this is way better than the motocross gear. The ventilation is amazing on this. It's got vents right here up under the arms. That's all vent all the way from my sleeve all the way down to where it tucks into your pants. It's all big mesh stuff right there. So super vent. When it's hot out here, this is extremely nice. And the pants, just the way they fit, the stretch panels it has, makes it where, I'm telling you, you can move in these. It is so comfortable. And it has vents on front and rear. You unzip, you can close them if it's cold, unzip them if it's warm, and man, it works real good. Holy cow, guys, look at this, where we're going to. I mean, that is way up there. That's stupid. We're at 5,700 feet right here, and that's a lot higher up there. It looks like we're still totally down in the valley, but we are climbing. Yeah, this is amazing up in here. And I just happened to find it. There'll be some people on here that know the base, and they probably, oh yeah, I've been up that one. There's one that goes that way. Looks like, maybe. No. They may have been at one time, but if it is, it's washed out right there. So, we won't be doing that one. Especially when I'm by myself. I don't want to get too crazy when I'm by myself. That's not smart. Get out and get hurt. But we're definitely getting rougher and steeper now. But we're still going. Okay, this is getting really too stupid, more than I probably want to do by myself. That is a boulder field right there. I mean, I believe I can make it, but do I chance it? That's the thing. That's like really, really steep. I don't know what grade that is, but it's a steep grade and all just boulders. Big, big rocks. So I probably should turn back and not take that chance. Even though I really want to do it. It's even going to be hard to turn around here, probably. There's not a very good spot to even turn around. You can see how steep it is. I'm hitting the front brake and it won't hold it here. And I'm not even on there. That gets way steeper right there. So I'm trying to figure out where to turn into. I'd rather not go down today. This is sliding out of control. I have no control because when you got that front brake locked up and I'm trying to run over boulders like that, you can see the black marks on that. Then when you get your brake locked up, you can't turn. I'm wanting to turn. There. Ooh. Goodness. That says something over there. Maybe a hike trail. Whew. Should offer a minute rest. Goodness gracious. Well, I don't think I can put my kickstand down here. But there's a sign there. I can't read it. It may not be readable anyway. Oh my goodness, this is stupid. Yeah, there is a sign there. I'd like to see what it says. I can't park. There's just nowhere. I mean, it's just too steep. Maybe here. Maybe not here. Let me kick a rock out of the way. Yow. So that is, bike was getting warm up through here. Not much air moving, fans running for sure, trying to cool it off. So yeah, look at the inner size here. Leather here, zippered vents, zippered pockets. These are really cool. These pants. Let's go around and see what this says. Split Rock Canyon Trail, Split Rock Saddle, TV Hill, Black Tail Pond. Yeah, and it don't mean motorcycles either. Hiking trail. This is supposed to be an awesome trail, but some of these on this base, they get, I think people come here and then side by sides and they just tear these hills up. They kick up so many rocks that it is so hard riding through this stuff. It's crazy. And like I said, I believe I could do it. I just hate to try it by myself because like how steep this is here, I don't know if you can even see. This is super steep right here. And then right there, it gets even steeper. Okay guys, back to the bike. So I think I'm going to end this video here. Go see if I can find some more on the way through. I'm actually going out of the base and going on the backside, but I want to see if I can find anything else, so we'll go look. But thank you all for watching this video. Check out my MSR gear. You want some really good off-road gear, I'm not joking you. Forget the motocross gear. Get you some off-road gear like this. Link in the description. Also links for everything. My camera DJI Action 6. DJI Osmo 360 and my DJI Neo 2 drone, but everything on my channel, including the Garmin Tread 2 GPS, which is a must, is all below. God bless you all. Click that thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I put out a new video, and we'll catch you all on the next adventure. Ride on, guys.